Welcome to Linux Help. In today's section, we are going to see how to install Node.js on Ubuntu 22.04. Node.js is a runtime environment for executing server-side JavaScript code. It enables developers to build robust backend systems using the widely popular JavaScript programming language commonly used in web development for browser-based applications. At first, check the OS version. I'm using Ubuntu 22.04 version. Before installation, need to update the repository. Repository has been updated. Now install Node.js using following command. Now check the Node.js version. Node.js version is 1.2.22.9. Now remove Node.js by using following command. Then remove configuration files using following command. Now install Node.js with Node Version Manager. For that, download and run the following script using curl command. Source.bashik file using following command. Use the following command to list the versions. Now install Node.js with specific version using nvm command. Node.js has been downloaded. Check the Node.js version. This is the procedure to install Node.js using apt and nvm method. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.